Looking for a smart way to keep your kitchen neat and your food fresh? These Pyrex rectangular storage dishes come in 3 handy sizes, 3 cup, 6 cup, and 11 cup, to cover all your storage needs, whether it's leftovers, meal prep, or pantry organization. Made from durable tempered glass, these containers are designed to handle everyday kitchen life with ease. I've been using this set for a while now, and what really stands out is the quality of the glass. It's dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and even preheated oven safe, which means you can go from fridge to microwave or oven without swapping containers. The glass is non-porous, so it won't absorb odors, flavors, or stains, keeping your food tasting just like it should. Plus, the BPA-free lids fit securely and are safe for freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher use. Even after heavy use, the containers stay clean and fresh, making meal storage and reheating effortless. One thing to note: this set includes 5 containers and 5 lids, not 10 of each. That means you get a total of 10 pieces, which is perfect for mixing and matching sizes depending on your needs. The glass used is soda lime, which handles physical knocks better than older borosilicate glass, though it's best to avoid sudden temperature changes to prevent thermal shock. I had a slight issue with the lid's edge being a bit crimped out of the box, but after a few heat cycles, it settled down without affecting the seal or performance. What you get is a reliable, American-made storage solution backed by a 2-year limited warranty on both glass and lids. Whether you're organizing your fridge, freezer, or pantry, these containers help you save space and keep your food fresher, longer. If that's you, someone who values durability, ease of use, and clean storage, this Pyrex set is worth a look. Ready to upgrade your kitchen storage? These rectangular glass containers offer the flexibility and quality you need for everyday meal prep and storage. Try it when you're ready and see how simple keeping your kitchen organized can be.